Many months later.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel with me, Terresa. So today I want to do my get ready with me, but today looks, you can guess by the dress of this, I'm gonna make a look like Cleopatra. So okay, shall we get started? Let's go. I'm gonna use this moisturizer.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn minute.
I don't know why, but I really love to make my face look so white. But usually people don't like it, right? Isn't this too white? Like, I don't know. It's okay. We're gonna fix it with foundation. It's okay. It feels like I look like a boss. This is too wide. I know this is gonna be so wide. I shouldn't pump it a lot. Yeah. You're gonna wait for this to dry. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So okay, it's been 5 minutes. I'm gonna move into, I'm using Maybelline Super Stay Foundation with shade 24 Fair Knit. I hope this is matched with my skin. And let's get back my real skin face. Oh yeah, if you guys wonder where did I buy this, I'm gonna insert in here. I buy it on at @JustTipDubai_UAE. I gonna put the link on my description box too. I'm not just buying the foundation, I also buy the HIJAB, and this dress is all from Just Tip Dubai UAE, so you guys should check it out. There's a lot of stuff in there, especially body mist, perfume, and what else? Makeup stuff, hijab, abaya, dress. It sells a lot of things. Okay, next I'm gonna use this concealer from Madam G. The shade is tan. Okay, I think it's kinda dark, isn't it? Let's try it. My foundation is more bright than my concealer. I'm gonna use another concealer from L.A Girl. The shade is like ivory. I think this one is better. It is better. It's more bright, right? Okay, now I'm gonna put a translucent powder from Makeover. It's shade Porcelain. Also gonna put it in here. Looks so weird. I'm gonna use this to make the contour. Oh god. Oh my god, I didn't know this would be so pigmented. God. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. I'm gonna take a little bit. This is so bad. Oh god. This is not happening. For real. So, okay. This is... I don't know what to say. Okay, so I think this is way better than before. Let's ending the baking. I'm gonna using this again for eyeshadow. Yes, of course, because this is an eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna use this color right here. I'm just gonna make like more in outer. I want it in here gold, green, and blue. I want to look like a Cleopatra, please. I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, I think so. We are gonna make the gold color, this one. Try, is this gonna look so good or not? If the color wasn't out, I'm gonna mix it with another yellow color, I guess. This one right here. I hope it doesn't look like a clowny. Just got this idea from my favorite beauty vlogger, Terresa. Oh my god, I hope she notices me one day. I love it. I don't know if I could do this or not, but let's try this look. I know this is so crazy, but I really want to make those two eyeliners so gorgeous. I'm gonna use this eyeliner. Okay. I'm so nervous. I really want to make those eyeliner. I did it. Should I make a cut crease in here? I hope this one is held. Okay. Yay! Oh my god. Okay, so far it's so good. I'm gonna make my eyebrows. For eyebrow, I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Viva. It's brown. My eyebrow is done, but I'm not really satisfied with the color because Cleopatra has like more darker eyebrows, so I think now it's more better. So I'm gonna put a concealer. Okay, let's get into what do you call, blush on. So my blush on also from Just Tip Dubai UAE. It's Wet n Wild. I don't know what this shade is, but I think I kinda like the blush. It has glitter, shimmer. Let's put it on. You know what? I really love to put blush in here, on here, because it's kind of looks like, you know, it's cute and it's beautiful. Should I put it like all my face? Highlighter from Wet n Wild. This is also from Just Tip Dubai _UAE. Yeah, I think this is too much. Yeah, but this is how Cleopatra looks like. A 2020 Cleopatra. The end of this face should be closed by a lipstick. I'm gonna use this cream teen. This Cleopatra doesn't tire me this makeup look every day. There is 2 of mascara from Wet n Wild in here. It's so cute, it's so tiny. So, this is the final look. I don't know, but I love it. I think I'm another sister of Cleopatra. Oh god. Okay, I should pose to take a picture. I know this is kind of stupid, get ready with me, that I'm just staying at home doing this makeup to look like Cleopatra, but I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment,